With an intuitive design and extended battery life, the iRobot Scuba 390 floor washing robot makes washing your floors easier than ever. Designed for large areas in your home, Scuba 390 cleans sealed hardwood, tile, and linoleum floors. No pre-sweeping required. And unlike a mop, Scuba 390 uses only clean solution from start to finish. Using a powerful 4-stage cleaning process, Scuba 390 removes up to 98% of common household bacteria. First, Scuba preps your floor, vacuuming up loose crumbs, sand, and dirt. Next, unlike a mop, Scuba puts down only fresh solution to clean your floors. Scrubbing brushes then go to work to remove dirt, grime, and spills. Finally, the squeegee vacuum picks up the dirty solution, leaving only clean behind. With iAdapt responsive cleaning technology, Scuba selects from dozens of robotic behaviors more than 60 times per second to ensure maximum room coverage. Scuba 390 makes multiple passes over every section of your floor, getting under and around furniture and cabinets, and keeping clear of carpets. Additional iAdapt features include wall-following technology, which ensures the most thorough floor coverage possible, and cliff detection sensors, which allow Scuba to avoid stairs and other drop-offs. With an intuitive design and long battery life, Scuba 390 is easy to use and maintain. To get started, just fill with tap water, water and vinegar, or Scuba hard floor cleaner. And then at the push of a button, Scuba is off and running. When Scuba is done cleaning, just empty out the dirty water. As part of regular maintenance, all parts that need to be cleaned are colored gray and orange. Scuba 390 also comes complete with a virtual wall to keep it from entering off-limit areas. Ideal for homes with large, hard floor spaces, the iRobot Scuba 390 floor washing robot washes floors clean, so you don't have to.